Hey, everybody, welcome back to Bo's Mopar Garage. Um, we're putting the headliner in the B5 Blue 70 Challenger today. And over here, you got the upholstery guy. He's a nice guy. Mobile Upholstery. His name is Steven. Say hi, Steve. Hello. It's hard to find someone that's willing to come out to your house and do this stuff. As you can see, we got the CA hood on it. Got some headlights in it now, so it's coming along. Gonna take a couple hours to do this, you think? Yeah.
And I should take about the same amount of time as we did on the last one.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit quicker.
Right. You've already done one now.
Did one not too long ago for another guy in a tower.
Okay.
I got my truck loaded down right now with seats on my column.
Oh, cool.
Do the same thing we did.
Yeah. In touch with him. Does nice work. I call him a kid, but I think he's how old are you, Steve? 28? 32. He looks like he's 12 to me. So Steven's just putting the headliner bows in the headliner, and he's splitting the channels, I guess, where the bows go in. Carefully. I've tried doing this myself before and was never quite successful. So he's hanging the headliner in the car right now, getting it centered. Get you in here so you can see what's going on. Smile, Steve.
Hey, buddy.
It's the beginning process here. It keeps working it back and forth. Try to get the wrinkles and sags out of it. And here's Steve still working on his headliner.
Just right now, just trying to get everything stretched out, get most of the wrinkles pulled out. We just gotta start it from the center, basically work our way out. That way we can get most of these wrinkles out. That way we don't see them sagging or anything for future matters.
Thanks, Steve.
No problem.
I've done a few of these in my life. And that's why Steve's here, because I know better. Takes a lot of patience and know-how. Inside, I'm pressing up some of these moldings that go around the roof. By pressing them up, I mean scotch biting them, put a primer and some trim black, and that'll be good to go. So you got the heat gun going now. Got the heat gun going now. And you gotta keep working the edges. So Steve is working his magic with the heat gun. As you can see, a lot of the wrinkles are gone. So Steve is making the final adjustments on his headliner, and he's installing the rear window moldings. Those look like they're in already. And we got the perimeter moldings on the over the doors. And I guess the last one will be over the behind the windshield. Very pleased with the way it's looking. A lot of work. So Steve's about buttoned up here. Looks great. The visor's up, the mirror up. Finishing up the dome light now. A few wrinkles, but they're gonna come out with some little bit of steam. Put all the moldings on around the doors. If I clean up the mess, that's a well done job. Here's a view from the other side.